Just 70 kilometers from Bangalore lies a place where nature, history, spirituality, and adventure come together. Welcome to DD Hills, one of the Karnataka's most beautiful weekend
Don't
getaways.
know if I can find my way out.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Matrails. We have just reached the iconic DD Hills entrance arch. For many travelers, this is where the real adventure begins. As soon as you pass through this arch, the landscape starts changing. The busy roads disappear and you are welcomed by hills, greeneries, and winding roads. Just a few minutes after entering, you will come across this beautiful lake. This is one of those places where almost every traveler ends up stopping. Whether you want to stretch your legs, click a few photos, or simply enjoy the peaceful surrounding, this lake is the perfect pit stop.
Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
After the lake, the road is filled with smooth bends and hairpin curves that make every turn feel like a new viewpoint. After paying an entry fee of rupees 30, we continued our journey further into DD Hills. Within just 5 minutes, we reached the main parking area, which marks the beginning of the trek. We have now reached the parking area. There is plenty of space to park your vehicle comfortably. And the best part, from here itself, you can already spot the hilltop waiting for us. That is the temple over there. So we have to go from this direction and we have to climb all the way to the top. We started our climb, and right at the entrance, you will find a few small shops where you can grab water, snacks, or quick refreshment before heading up. The trek itself is quite beginner friendly, with well built stone steps all the way to the top, so climbing should not be much of challenge for most visitors. As you continue the trek, you will come across few small shops selling souvenirs, caps, toys, refreshments, and other local items. Perfect if you want to take home a small memory of your visit. Devrana Durga, popularly called Didi Hills, is one of the most popular hills destination near Bangalore, located about 70 kilometers from Bangalore and around 15 kilometers from Tumkuru. The name Devrayana Durga means the fort of King Devraya. The hill was once a fortified outpost and later come under the rule of Vijayanagar Empire and the Mysore Vadiyars. Even today, you can spot remnants of old fort walls around the hill. One thing we really loved was that every 15 to 20 minutes, the trail opened to beautiful viewpoints, giving us a perfect excuse to stop, catch our breath, and soak in the scenery. The easiest way to reach is by your own vehicle via Bangalore Tumkur Highway. The drive takes around 1.5 to 2 hours, making it a perfect one-day getaway.
I know we'll get to the other side.
The best time to visit is during monsoon and post-monsoon season, when the hills are lush green, weather is pleasant, and the views are at their best. Start early in the morning to avoid heat and enjoy peaceful atmosphere. Carry a water bottle, comfortable trekking shoes, a cap, sunscreen, and a light snack. If you are planning to capture the scenery, don't forget your camera or drone. After a pleasant climb, we finally reach the temple at the summit. The peaceful atmosphere up here makes the journey feel completely worthwhile. Right beside the temple, there is a small beautiful lake that adds to the charm of the hilltop. And of course, the panoramic views from the top are absolutely stunning. You can see the surrounding hills and greenery stretching as far as the eye can see. Is the perfect reward after the trek. Our next stop was Mandagiri Hills, famous for its unique peacock temple, whose architecture resembles a giant peacock. We admired the temple from the base, clicked a few pictures, and then continued our journey towards the peaceful Madala Lake. To wrap up the day, we visited Madala Lake, a quiet and peaceful spot just a short drive away. A calm water, refreshing breeze, and beautiful surrounding made it a perfect place to relax after our trek. Sometimes you don't need a famous destination, just a small place where you can slow down, enjoy the view, and end the day on a peaceful note.